Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the unicorn fart dust token, probably the most mature sounding token that there is. This is definitely not a meme coin. Oh yes, definitely it is. Unicorn fart dust, UFD is the ticker symbol. Now this token just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings today, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So people love unicorn fart dust so much that this token is trending #1 right now on DEX tools in the Solana section. Now you can find this token on SolScan. If you're looking for the chart, the price, all the statistics on this token, you can find it on DEX tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap soon. There is no web page, but if you go over to Dex Tools, they do have a Telegram link and a Twitter link and a YouTube channel, it says here. Bubble Map, SolScan, those are all linked on here. For some reason, on everywhere else, I could not find a Twitter or a Telegram or any sort of page here, so that's interesting. Hopefully it's not a community takeover. I'm going to actually verify that here in 1 second here, because if it's a community takeover, maybe they just didn't update the Dex Tools chart socials yet. But let me check. Usually on Dex Screener it'll say. And no, I don't see any CTO community takeover claims, so I guess these are the socials. For some reason, you could only find them on Dex Tools and nowhere else. But this token is almost at $100 million market cap right now. Pretty insane. Right now it is $96 million, their market cap and their fully diluted valuation. Just today they have a trading volume of $194.8 million in the past 24 hours. And this token only came out 23 hours, 49 minutes ago. So all this has happened in 1 day. Just today, they've had 285,523 transactions. They have 16 different liquidity providers in Raydium, 27,876 holders, and there's probably more than that. That's probably not even updated yet. Token price right now is about 9.64 cents per token, and they have $1.9 million worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 98.46% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, I saw first today one announcement pop up here that this token will be listed. I just did videos on both of these other tokens here. So on xt.com or XT Exchange, today they listed the Big Farm AI token, Styro Steve, and Unicorn Fart Dust. So basically I did all three of those videos today. I'm going to be uploading because those not only got, all three of those tokens got listed on XT. They're all actually very popular Solana tokens that have been trending today, also on Dex Screener and Dex Tools. And they have thousands of holders. Unicorn Fart Dust, though, by far doing the best. And yeah, so this token here, the Unicorn Fart Dust token, just got listed along with Big Farm AI and Styro Steve UFD got listed today, December 18th at 3:45 a.m. UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you are looking to get this token or any of the other ones I mentioned, there's a ton of big tokens being listed today and tomorrow on Mexc. If you wanted to get the UFD token, all you'd have to do, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search UFD, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Just so easy. I mean, there's not much info on this token listed anywhere. Like it just says it is a meme coin. But if you actually go to their Twitter, you can see some cool updates here. They have a lot of posts, 15 posts so far, 11,500 Twitter followers. At Unicorn UFD also has a link to their Telegram right there. And yeah, it says, I'm a gold and silver maxi who couldn't resist diving into the crypto world after hearing about Fartcoin hitting $500 million market cap. I created my own meme coin, Unicorn Fart Dust, as a social experiment to show how I view money in the crypto space, basically as nothing but dust. I streamed a live video on YouTube, so maybe that's the YouTube link there on Dex Tools, explaining my perspective and why I'm doing this. I'll be providing updates as this plays out. Let's see where it goes. High risk? Absolutely. I told you not to buy it, but hey, the experiment is live. And on Dex Screener, it says here, Unicorn Fart Dust, I'm a meme coin, or it's a meme coin. It's worthless? Question mark. It is. Unicorn Fart Dust, prove me wrong. I'm a 54-year-old first-time crypto buyer and started this meme coin in 3 hours. I will be covering this journey here on my YouTube channel. I was taught that silver and gold are the only forms of real money. Everything else is unicorn fart dust until proven wrong, and this happens often. Disclaimer, not investment advice. The Unicorn Fart Dust meme coin is backed by nothing but unicorn fart dust, which is also nothing. Now, this token was created on Pump.Fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. And they're up to 99 million market cap right now, so they are almost at 100 million. This token is up over 100,000% today. Going absolutely bananas here. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.